Hello class 5 students, this is your social studies class and today we are going to start chapter 8 natural disasters. In this chapter we will read about what is disaster, types of disasters and we will read about natural disasters like earthquake, drought, cyclone, flood and we will also read about community help. As the name of the chapter is natural disasters, so first let me explain you what is the meaning of disaster. A disaster is a major accident which causes a great loss of life and property at a particular place. It is the nature that sustains life on the earth and it is the same nature which can cause mass destruction. There are mainly two types of disaster, natural disasters and man-made disasters. A natural calamity or natural disaster is caused by forces of nature that affects people. Natural disasters include earthquake, flood, cyclone, drought, volcanic eruption, tsunami, etc. And the man-made disasters are caused by man's wrong actions. The examples of man-made disasters are pollution, forest fires, oil spills, etc. In this chapter, we will learn about different natural disasters. First is earthquake. The strong vibrations on the surface of the earth due to dislocation of materials under the surface of the earth is called an earthquake. The place of the origin of an earthquake is called focus and the point on the surface of the earth directly above the focus is called an epicenter. And the effect of earthquake is maximum at the epicenter. An earthquake can be light or violent depending upon its magnitude. The magnitude of an earthquake is measured on the Richter scale. The bigger the magnitude of an earthquake, the more will be the damage caused by it. The instrument used to measure the intensity of the earthquake is called seismograph. The branch of science which studies earthquake is called seismology. Earthquakes always occur without any warning. The earthquakes causes a lot of damage to life and property. Such a violent earthquake occurred on January 26, 2001 in Bhuj in Gujarat, which caused huge destruction and loss of life and property. Around 20,000 people died and more than 10 lakh people were injured. Now the earthquake prone areas. The areas where earthquakes occur more frequently are called earthquake prone areas. The Himalayan ranges in the northern India is an earthquake prone area. Countries like Japan and Philippines are also earthquake prone areas. There are some precautions that should be taken during an earthquake. These are, if someone is indoors, it is very important to stay calm and take cover under a heavy object. If someone is outdoors, stay away from high buildings, street lights, trees, and power lines. One should not use lift during or immediately after an earthquake. One should stay away from glass or anything that can fall. One should not sit inside a car or bus during an earthquake. One should be prepared for aftershocks after the initial earthquake ends. Second natural disaster is drought. When an area where rainfall is normally present goes dry due to no rainfall. This condition is called drought. Due to lack of water for irrigation, crops get destroyed and usually famines break out. Famines are long periods of acute shortage of food, thus leading to starvation and epidemics. To avoid drought, we should take following precautions. We should develop a rainwater harvesting system in our homes. We should learn to save water. More trees should be planted. Drought resistant crops such as maize, millets should be grown. We should spray water directly at the base of the plants for less consumption of water. Sprinklers can be used to water the plants. Proper facilities for irrigation should be developed in drought prone areas. Dear students, hope you have understood this part of the chapter. I will be back with its second part. Till then, keep doing work. Thank you.